Come on! Damn it! Ouch! What the? Crap! This isn't going well! This... Huh? Cut it out! Close one! Saw that? How could this happen? What? Oh, no, no, no! Eat this! I'll show you what I can really do! You'll pay! What? Whoa! Ready? Upsy daisy! It's not over yet! That's not all! Not too bad! There you are! This is it! Over here! Yep! You're through! You can't beat me! I summon you forth, Shenron! Grant me my wish! I'm not really interested in that. Please, restore my health! Shenron, bring back my friend! And... Gotcha! Yeah! Yeah! Now! Do it! Yeah! Yeah! Kamehameha! I call to the earth, the sky, the trees, and the sea, to all living beings everywhere! Please, lend me some of your energy! It's ready! Spirit Bomb! Kaioken! Body, don't let me down! Kaioken times 3! This is it! It's over! I'm getting pumped! I'm gonna fight you with everything I've got! All right, let's go! I've got this! Woohoo! I did it! You're pretty strong! Hey! I'm counting on you! I've got this! Sorry for the trouble. Looks like it's my turn! Hang on, I'm coming! Thank you. Here we go! Hi, I'm Goku. Guess who's up to bat? All right, let's do this! Don't worry about me. Take that! Lend me your energy! Ha! Yeah! Everyone, please lend me your energy! Take this! See you later! Ka-me-ha-me! Ha! Ka-me-ha-me! Ha! Low ranker, elite, whatever. You can beat anyone. It's called hard work. Keep training and get stronger. I'll always be one step ahead of you, though. Uh-oh! I think I got carried away. You were really strong. I want to fight you again. It sure is exciting fighting strong opponents like you.